Login failed on Trading App Fix. You open the Trading app, ready to buy or check your portfolio, but suddenly login failed. It's annoying, but don't worry. Most of the time, this happens for simple reasons you can fix right now. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Trading requires a stable and secure network for login verification. If you're on weak Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or a stronger connection. A surprising number of login issues come from unstable internet. Next, make sure your Trading app is updated. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Trading, and tap Update if it's available. Outdated apps can fail to connect to updated servers. Now, enter your credentials manually. If autofill it can store old passwords or formatting errors that led to failed logins. If you've changed your password recently, confirm that you're using the latest one. If you use two-factor authentication, or FA, make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic. The verification codes are time-based, and even small clock mismatches can cause login errors. Till stuck? Clear your cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps Trading Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This refreshes the connection and removes corrupted data. Sometimes Trading servers experience maintenance or brief downtime that causes login problems. Wait 10 to 15 minutes and try again. Also, check if your account is temporarily locked from multiple failed login attempts. If so, wait a few minutes or reset your password. If none of these steps work, contact Trading support through their official site. They can quickly restore access once your identity is verified. So next time your Trading app says login failed, don't panic. Fix your network, update your app, verify your time settings, and clear your cache. With these simple steps, you'll be back trading smoothly and managing your investments without a hitch.